Wondering why I'm sweating. I just finished cleaning the kitchen and doing some housework, so that's why I'm a little sweaty. I apologize, guys. Let's look at the cupboard. Okay, so up there in the yellow, I'll bring them down. Yeah, so those are 2 Oreos I just got, the donut Oreos and the hazelnut. I got some flamin' corn Cheetos right there. That's just our dishes, nothing exciting. Just a bunch of Starbucks stuff, you know, other condiments, spices, you know, Cheez-It crackers, cereal. Yeah, and that's about it, guys. Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you what's in our fridge. Well, this is our freezer. There's the Coke frozen. We got fish. Those are steamed buns. Right. Oh, sorry. Right there. That's chili I made a few months ago, but it doesn't expire till May, so it's still good. We got fries. A bunch of Freezies. Buttered chicken. Those are 2 orange ones here. Sorry, here, and that's chicken strips. And those are strawberry Eggos. And taquitos. That's it for the freezer. The fridge, a whole bunch of condiments there. Stuff there. Strawberry lemonade. Salad dressing. There are the caramel cookies. Cucumbers, that's mine. I got banana chocolate chip bagels, 4 cheese bagels. Those are Perrier energy drinks, the Fanta, the Crush I showed you guys. This is our candy drawer. Those are the cookies in the fridge. They just find they keep better. Look at that. That's all the candy that I've reviewed, guys. There's some that I tried to clean, but there's some Japanese Kit Kats I haven't reviewed yet. The Lucky Charms cookies. And those are condiments, Sixer sauce, cream cheese, a whole bunch of stuff. Guys, so just let me know in the comments what's in your fridge, or what's your favorite snack, what your favorite part of the tour was. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. And thank you for watching. Bye, everybody.